on Gatekeeper. Left side, front row, B&M wing coaster. Here we go. It gets you up fast at least. Good chain lift speed. Are you ready for a really weird drop? Look at this. Dive drop! Woo! Whoa! Immelman! Woo! Woo! Not making any air time. Kind of, not really. 0G! Whoa! Holy crap! New miss! Incline dive loop! Woo! Oh god, this is messed up. 0G! Whoa! That did not feel right. What is the point of that? What were they thinking? Pointless helix! No airtime hit. And then a brake run. Good job, man. Good job.
Yes. That's the first time I've actually kicked that with my leg.
Was it?
Coming through the second gate.
Oh man, yeah, you got scared for a sec, didn't you?
Huh?
That psychological feeling. Oh gosh, there's something there, and my leg's gonna hit it. Did that get to you?
I pulled him up.
I almost did, but then I remembered to try not to be GP. But that was really good near miss elements.
You got it ready. I think I should have.
Yeah, like human. Yeah, that was a good ride, but
I like the ride.
it wasn't even as good as Wild Eagle to me. I honestly think Wild Eagle was more forceful and everything. Yeah, Thunderbird was definitely the best B&M wing of the trip. This definitely way too floaty for me. It just floated too much, and it didn't even give the best any air time really on those hills. They were pointless, you know. But overall,
there was a couple of pointless elements I thought.
like the mid-course, the ending helix, the random pop that doesn't give you airtime into the brake run, the giant airtime hill that gives you no airtime, the other somewhat giant airtime hill that gives you no airtime. This is so gonna be a parody. Who knows? I swallowed my gum before going on. I like how the left hill angle of ascent is pretty steep though. Yeah, I like the drop. The drop was good, but yeah, alright. See you wherever we go next.